Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to apply 516 gel. So for this you're going to need a UV or LED lamp, a nail file, a buffing block, some alcohol wipes, and of course your 516 gel polish. Firstly, we're going to prep your nails using the file to shape the nails how you want them. Next, use the buffing block to create a smooth surface. Then use your alcohol wipes to get rid of any dust and oils on your nail bed. Next, we're going to apply one thin coat of 516 gel polish. Once that's done, you can cure it for 30 to 60 seconds in your gel lamp. Next, apply a second coat of gel to deepen the colour. And cure that for 30 to 60 seconds in your lamp. Finally, massage your nails with your favourite cuticle oil. And you're all done! It really is that simple. There's no top coat required and your mani will stay put for weeks. To shop 516 gel, go to 516polish.com.